What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to download the stable diffusion v1.5 into your systems. So for that we are going to use this specific repository. As you guys can see that it has over 1.7 million downloads, so it's the authentic one and the link to it is in the description. Once you're with this page, you have to log in with your account, and once you are in with your account, you will see this page right here. So here you will see three dots. Just click on that, and you will see the clone repository option. Just click on that, and you will see there are, SSH and HTTPS protocols where you can download, install it from step by step. So for the PowerShell, if you're using PowerShell, you can use these commands. If you're using UE, you can use these commands. If you're using UEX, you can use these commands. So first, you have to simply copy this command, open up your PowerShell, try to run it as administrator, and then just paste the command over here. Now, all you have to do is to run it. Once you start running it, it will start creating an environment where you can download it virtually. I have already downloaded the Git and the Python on my computer so that I don't have to go through these processes again. You guys can do it as well if you guys want to. Now it is collecting the information regarding that specific you know, Stable Diffusion 1.5 version. Once it's installed, now what we're going to do, we are going to run the other download model command from here. So make sure you just hit the copy button and then go back to the PowerShell URL. Wait a few seconds till it successfully installed everything and gives you the prompt to paste the other command. Till then, you have to wait, and once it's done, you just have to right click on it and then it will be pasted. Thus, you will be able to install everything inside your computer. See, it's already making changes. Now we have the leverage to install the system. Just press the command and run. Now it will start extracting it. Just again press the command and run it, and it will start downloading the model v1.5. Here you guys can see that HF downloads Stable Diffusion v15 Stable Diffusion. Now this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.